Here's how to recover a hacked Roblox account without an email or phone number. Start by opening the Roblox support page in your browser by entering support at the end of the URL. Next, enter your Roblox username and the first name associated with the account. For the email field, enter a new email address that you currently have access to. Roblox will use this email to contact you about your recovery request. Scroll down to Issue Details. Select the device you usually use to play Roblox. Then, under the Help category, choose Account Hacked or Can't Log In, followed by Account Hacked. In the description, explain that you're unable to access your Roblox account because someone changed both the password and the email address. Include your username and mention that you can provide additional information, such as login history or other details, to verify ownership. Politely ask Roblox support to help recover your account. Submit the form and wait for a response. Roblox support may ask for additional information to confirm you're the original owner. Respond with as much accurate information as possible to speed up the recovery process. That's all for this video. Thanks.